Hello, students. Welcome to this course on project management. Basically, this course name is PCE CS 803 for BTech Computer Science and Engineering students. This is a three-credit course. Basically, there are some good textbooks given, like by Miss Kathy, and there are few reference books also for this course. Project management course, as usual, has got six uh, units, and they are like introduction to project management, project integration management, project scope, time and cost management, quality and human resource management, risk management, as well as lastly agile project management. So in our further interactions we will be discussing about all these six units. Today we will start with the introduction to project management. First, what is a project? So every individual basically he manages so many projects, small projects, but we have not defined it in the term parlance of project management. Now, suppose you conduct a birthday party in your house. So for birthday party, you need to have some funds to get the cake and other materials. You need to call guests. You need to provide them refreshment, catering, and all. So there are constraints of time, there are constraints of finance, as well as other resources and human resource, which should be looking after all these activities. So this is a project, like it's a temporary endeavor which requires financial resources, time, as well as physical resources. Project management basically is a set of tools and techniques which will guide you or help you to ensure that the projects what you are going to undertake, there you can provide the quality project with the reasonable amount of time and with the limited resources you are having. If there is no knowledge of project management, then there are chances that there will be cost escalations, there will be time escalations, and lot of wastage of time resources. Hence, as per the data I have seen from Google, basically, there is a project management course on Coursera, basically, which is offered by Google. They say that by 2027, means another 2 years down the line, there is a requirement of 8.7 crores project managers globally. 8.7 crores of project managers is a very big number. And this is not confined to IT projects alone. Projects can be in construction projects, projects can be in the banking sector, projects can be in the insurance sector, projects can be in the manufacturing sector. So all these constitute projects because they are finite, they are having finite resources, finite time, and we are supposed to manage them properly. As per the study done globally, only 16 to 18% projects are successful. Rest of the projects, there are 83 to 84% of the projects, they are not successful. Why? Because there are so many risks involved. So as a project manager, this course will prepare the students to understand what are the nuances of project management, what are the tools and techniques available for project management. You will also understand about human resource management, time management, cost management, what are the risks involved, and the last chapter which deals on agile project management. This agile project management is globally used for software development. Earlier, the software development cycle was called as waterfall method, which was the traditional method, and where step by step as water falls down, you have the requirements, then you plan that, then you develop, then you test, then you implement and deploy. So the steps were cascading in nature. But today, as the technology changes very fast, the requirement of the customer is changing. So agile means you have got a lot of iterations and you are always listening to the customer and trying to meet the requirements of the customer. So this technology we will be studying, especially in that Scrum. There are some 4 to 5 methods, but Scrum is a very popular method in Agile project management, and we will seeing the project Agile project management in our next step in unit number 6. See, a project, if you take a software project like Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office, these are very huge projects. So project is a small work, one part of the work. But many projects put together, they become a program. So normally the project managers over a period of time they get into the position called program managers. And lot of program will get into a portfolio. So then from program manager you get promoted to portfolio managers. Okay. So in case just for the students we are discussing, suppose we are in Kolhapur and there are a lot of companies, around 350 plus IT companies in Kolhapur, which are providing IT services. And most of them are into web development, mobile app development, digital marketing, search engine optimization, ERP solution provider, and customized software is also they develop. But majority of the work is being undertaken on web development and mobile app development. Suppose a small college comes to us and say that okay, I'll give 1 lakh rupees. You make this project, I'll give the requirements, and you can do it in 1 month's time. So this becomes a project where your time is fixed, huh, and your delivery period is fixed, as well as the financial resources are fixed. So now the company is supposed to make the project. As I was discussing with students, I understood that if the student is not able to prepare the project, if the team is not able to produce the project within the stipulated time, then there will be financial penalties. This the students are not aware. Secondly, the requirements will change. So the customer will be as and when telling the revised requirements, we need to be patient and understand the requirements of customer so that we produce a quality software and hence we can get the goodwill of the customer and we'll get repeat customers. Okay, so in our next discussion, we will see the further things. Thank you and keep watching.